Hello there, welcome to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT type of a question. Let's solve this question together. Y minus 8 plus b times y plus 4 is equal to 2 times, in parentheses, by plus 10. In the equation above, b is a constant. What is the value of b if there is no value of y that satisfies the equation? So we will need to find the value of b, but the key point in here is that there is no value that satisfies the value of the y that satisfies the equation. So that means you will have same amount of y's on the each side of the equation, so that they can go ahead and eliminate each other, so that you won't need to solve anything for y. This means that in this, if you will see this type of expression in the exam, please try to remember this. So with the rest of the problems, the numbers, the constants, we don't really care about it. We're just gonna deal with the y. So from the first expression, I have only y plus, I don't deal with the negative 8. So I will distribute this in here, but I only need the by part of it. I won't write 4 times b. I don't need that. Is equal to, again, if you will distribute 2 into the parentheses over here, 2by, it's gonna be continue just 2 times by 10, but I don't need that again. I don't use it. So I have y, by, and 2by on the left side, on the right side. So this must be equal. So if I will take y parentheses on the left side, this will be 1 plus b. On the right side, it's already in the y parentheses, it's 2by. We can go ahead and, get rid of the y's if you like, because if you will divide them both sides by y, you will receive this. And this was like this. 1 plus b is equal to 2b then. So I will just take away 1b. Then 1 is equal to 2b minus 1b is b. So the value of b will be 1 to satisfy this equation. So our final answer is b. b is equal to 1. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you would like to receive more related type of questions from Math Jamboree. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.